Hi. In this video I will discuss about immune system. But don't forget to subscribe my channel now. Getting into the video, I will discuss that what is immune system, types of immune system, and microbial infection. Now what is immune system? The immune system is made up of a complex network of organs, cells and proteins that fight infection, microbes. Pathogens are defined as everything from parasites to fungi, bacteria, viruses and haptens. Haptens are molecules that may cause an immune response when they come in contact with a protein. Now I will discuss 4 types of immunity. The 4 types of immunity are: innate immunity. We all are born with innate, or natural, immunity, a type of natural protection. The immunity, which is present in an organism by birth, is called innate immunity. Innate immunity refers to the body's defense system. For example, the skin, the barrier of the human body, functions by protecting the entry of germs and other disease-causing pathogens. Adaptive immunity. An individual acquires immunity after birth, hence is called adaptive or acquired immunity. Adaptive immunity develops throughout our lives. We acquire adaptive immunity when we are exposed to infectious diseases and allergies, or when we are immunized against them with vaccines. Passive immunity. Passive immunity is developed by antibodies that are produced outside the body. This immunity lasts for a short time. For example, antibodies present in a mother's breast milk provide a baby with temporary immunity against diseases. Active immunity. Active immunity is a type of adaptive immunity, which is developed due to the production of antibodies in one's own body. This type of immunity occurs when we are in contact with the pathogen or its antigen. When the immune system encounters an antigen for the first time and active immunity responds against it, it is called a primary response. Once a body experiences a pathogen for the first time, it keeps a few of the antibodies that attack the pathogen just in case it attacks for the second time. This is known as natural active immunity. Now I will discuss immune system and microbial infection. The immune system keeps a record of every microbe it has ever defeated, in types of white blood cells, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, known as memory cells. This means it can recognize and destroy the microbe quickly if it enters the body again, before it can multiply and make you feel sick. Some infections, like the flu and the common cold, have to be fought many times because so many different viruses or strains of the same type of virus can cause these illnesses. Catching a cold or flu from one virus does not give you immunity against the others. Parts of the immune system. The main parts of the immune system are: white blood cells, antibodies, lymphatic system, bone marrow, thymus. White blood cells. White blood cells are the key players in your immune system. They are made in your bone marrow and are part of the lymphatic system. White blood cells move through blood and tissue throughout your body, looking for foreign invaders, microbes, such as bacteria, viruses, parasites and fungi. When they find them, they launch an immune attack. White blood cells include lymphocytes, such as B cells, T cells and natural killer cells, and many other types of immune cells. Antibodies. Antibodies help the body to fight microbes or the toxins, poisons, they produce. They do this by recognizing substances called antigens on the surface of the microbe, or in the chemicals they produce, which mark the microbe or toxin as being foreign. The antibodies then mark these antigens for destruction. There are many cells, proteins and chemicals involved in this attack. Lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a network of delicate tubes throughout the body. The main roles of the lymphatic system are to manage the fluid levels in the body, react to bacteria, deal with cancer cells, deal with cell products that otherwise would result in disease or disorders, absorb some of the fats in our diet from the intestine. The lymphatic system is made up of lymph nodes, also called lymph glands, which trap microbes, lymph vessels, tubes that carry lymph, the colorless fluid that bathes your body's tissues and contains infection-fighting white blood cells. White blood cells, lymphocytes. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is the spongy tissue found inside your bones. It produces the red blood cells our bodies need to carry oxygen, the white blood cells we use to fight infection, and the platelets we need to help our blood clot. Thymus. The thymus filters and monitors your blood content. It produces the white blood cells called